more than 32,000 families has been affected, and in Mullaitivu is the mostly affected divisions is Pudukudilupu, Otisutan and Manda East and Marathambat areas. And in that flood, we have on that time most of the support we have received from other part of the country. Now there's more needs to get for the affected people, but there's only the few people and few organizations are here, but they also is working for long-term projects. But for the relief recovery program, there is no any organization to support. It's very less support. There is a big need for shelters, nutrition and food for the most vulnerable families. We are working only in 15 GN division, not because in Marathambat there are 46 GN divisions. Because of the funds constraint, we can target only the 9 GN divisions, because we can't look into all GN division in these divisional secretaries.